You know, sometimes I think that it's for so many people, it seems to be more comfortable to live in pain or taking prescription drugs or, living on the edge of having a heart attack or cancer and stuff like that, than actually taking the initiative to take action and reverse whatever things are happening in your body. Because, yes, we can do it. And so, that being said, when we look at this 12 years from now, what do you want to see? How do you want to feel? And in some cases, you might have to redefine what health is. Because in my mind, health has been very, very twisted. And health is not about taking prescription drugs. It's not about living on the edge because you think that if for any little thing of stress that you get in life, then a heart attack will take place, or because you haven't even healed your resentment or anger or something like that, then boom, cancer shows up in your body. This is not the way of living. And you know what? If this is something that you're really, really serious to take action and take your health seriously, well, this is the time.